to the end of this hallway right now. Okay, I'm gonna blast. Oh, look, one of those robot guys. It kind of makes me think of me. Except, they aren't wearing clothes. Oh, what's this do? Dude, you're a quick one, psycho. Oh, I want to. See, I'm a little tiny robot dude now. Never gonna catch me. Oh, I'm not going psycho no more. Oh, well. Wait! I'm a silver robot. Jealous. Woo! Me again. Ah, crap. Whee! Okay, now turn into the robot that it has the picture of. I don't think I can turn into a yellow one. I'm pretty sure I can turn into a silver one. Hey, is this what? No. This? No. This? Dude, you're shorter than me. No. This? You're not even a robot. What about this? Wait, no, done. I'm thinking. How about this guy? Hey, this guy kind of makes me think of a trash can. This? Perfect. I'm doing this, but I don't know how I'm doing it. Whee! Good. Okay, I suggest going as droids. I can't shapeshift. Oh, sucks for you. I am so happy that my dad gave me that weird gallery thingy to put in my shirt. Whatever. Like I said, though, I suggest we could have had it the easy way without having to go through any problems. But no, you just had to ruin it. Oh, look, where are we? Ah, ow! I hit my head. Ow! Jealous of you just you are. I know you are. Woo! Invincibility! Okay, let's see. Next best, second best Jedi. Oh crap! Died. Cha! Oh, you black. Oh, you're not down. Die. Wait, you're not my enemy. Are you? You're gonna die in a day, you freaks! Hey, who am I? You're me. Oh crap, I'm a girl! Okay, what am I now? A Jawa. Haha, your face. Whee! Freedom! Freedom! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh crap! Had to fall on it, didn't you? Hey, not being able to jump real high. They're Gungan. You can do it. Why can't I? Not fair. I always have to turn into something to jump real high. It's not fair. Oh, I'll get over it eventually. Okay, let's see. Oh, here it is. Let's see what I do now. What do I do? I'm going to make you. Wee! Jawa. Let's see here. What I want to be. I'll be this little guy. What? In your face. Oh, had to say it.